amigas, if you don't know what to make for dinner today, I have an idea for you. Today we're making some crispy tacos de papa con carne. These are perfect, these are delicious. Trust me, you're going to want to make these. It's got the taste you're looking for your dinner tonight. For our taquitos dorados, we need to start by marinating our meat. We want to make sure we marinate it and get it on the griddle ASAP so it starts cooking and we can get it moving because we're hungry.
Did you say marinating when you meant seasoning?
Oh yeah, we're going to season our meat. I'm not marinating it today. This recipe is super simple. So yes, we're just seasoning just a little bit.
Just a little
bit. To season our meat, we're starting off with some Chef Merito seasoning. You guys might trip out a little bit on this one, but we're also using some cumin.
So what does the cumin add?
The cumin brings out the savory in the meat. Trust me, just put a little bit, not too much, but I promise you're gonna like it. We need our garlic powder y un poquito de pimienta negra. She's ready to start sizzling on the griddle. Our meat is really thin, so we have to make sure we don't cook the meat for too long. I'd say we cook it on each side max 2 minutes. That is how thin this bistec is. So first to the griddle, we're going to add some oil. I'm going to cook the meat on medium high so we can get it a little crispy on the outside, but still juicy inside. La carne está lista, amigas. The meat is ready. And which brings me to the word of the day today, carne. Say it with me.
Carne.
Carne means meat, amigas. So yes, the carne is ready. Girl, and you already know I need to give my carne a taste test. Awesome. We're cutting the meat in long slices, amigas. That way you get that whole meaty flavor when you're biting into your taquito dorado. Before we start assembling our taco with our carne and potato, we need to make sure we soften our tortilla on the griddle. If we fold our tortilla before we warm it, it breaks just like this. We need to make sure we warm it up just for a couple seconds. That way we're able to fold it nicely without the tortilla breaking. Ahora sí, let's warm them up on the griddle. Amigas, just warming them up for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, wait, 10 seconds on each side. That's what I meant.
Ooh. Ah.
We're ready to start stuffing our tortillas with our potato and our meat, amigas. What I did with this potato before I brought it out, I boiled my potatoes inside with some water. Once they were nice and soft, I kind of gave them a little light mash. All we're doing is pressing our mashed potato into our tortillas, setting our meat right on top, putting some melting cheese. Now we're able to fold them. Now that we have our carne, say it with me.
Carne.
In our tacos with our potato and cheese, we can add it to the griddle to get it nice and crispy. So that our tortilla doesn't get burned when we set it on the griddle and has time to get crispy, amigas, we need to set the griddle on low to make sure that it gives it that crisp that we're looking for. If it's on high, it's going to burn and still be soft, and that's not what we're looking for, because for a taco dorado, we need the tortilla to be doradita, not quemadita. Bruh. While my tacos with carne and potatoes are getting nice and doraditos, we need to start chopping our toppings. First, we have some lettuce. I like using lettuce for our taquitos, amigas, because it gives it that freshness and a light crunch when you bite into your taco. Of course, you know I love me some onion, honey, so some onion. And now let's cut our last topping, our tomato. Our taquitos are toasted on one side, so let's give them a flip to get the other side toasty, crunchy, and perfect. Our tacos are ready. Cheese melted on the inside. They're perfect. Our taquitos are ready to start adding the toppings, amigas. So let's add our lettuce, onion, tomato, and you already know I love me some sour cream and our queso fresco. Y que no nos falte la salsa. We need some salsa on all our food, amigas, because if it doesn't have salsa, if I don't get spiced up, did I even eat? Probably not. Our taquitos are done. Now we're ready for the taste test. Ready to try it, babe?
Yes.
Baby. You can taste the meat, the cheese, the potato, and that crisp, amigas, in the taco. Amazing. Amigas, if you enjoyed this recipe and hanging out with us, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of these videos. Provecho, amigas. Bye. Love you guys.